Hello and welcome back to Microsoft Dynamics series, and I'm Kamai from PSA, and I will accompany you in this video. As you might know, Microsoft Dynamics success in developing various ERP and CRM applications for on-site business in different industries. They must have gone through a lot of up and down to be successful as they are now. So, in this video, let's take a look at the history of all legacy version Microsoft Dynamics. Let's go. Firstly, let's discover Microsoft Dynamics AX. It's an ERP software package for finance, supply chain, and operation. It was launched under the name Asapta in 1990s and developed through a collaboration between IBM and the Danish company. In 2002, Microsoft acquired Asapta and then rebranded it as Microsoft Dynamics AX. Until 2016, Microsoft continued to invest in Dynamics AX to support over 25 countries and 23 languages. And then, they migrated this and rebranded Dynamics AX to Dynamics 365 F&O, which offer the same solution as Dynamics AX, but work on the cloud. In 2018, Microsoft separated F&O into Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management to serve specific industry. Yeah, that is the timeline of Microsoft Dynamics AX. Next, let's move to the Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Microsoft Dynamics NAV is an ERP software solution to manage finance, sales, purchasing, supply chain, and operation. It was born in 1983 with the name Navision Accounting Software by the company of the same name for a single user. And then it was expanded to multiple users for small and medium businesses. In 2002, Microsoft acquired Navision Software and renamed it to Microsoft Dynamics Navision. Then, in 2005 and 2018, Microsoft Dynamics renamed it twice into Dynamics NAV and Dynamics 365 Business Central with various features. Especially, the Business Central can work on the cloud, increasing security and accessibility. Over the years, they continued to upgrade various versions, including a range of updates and enhancements to the solution. It's a timeline of Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Now, let's take a look at the Microsoft Dynamics GP. It's also an ERP system to manage financial, supply chain, and operational processes. The first version was Grid Plans, created by the Bergen family to only manage their business transactions. However, since 1986, the Grid Plan DOS version had become famous. So, they decided to launch the Windows-based accounting version with the name Grid Plan Dynamics in 1993. After that, Microsoft acquired Grid Plan Dynamics, which was completed in 2001 and renamed it Microsoft Dynamics GP. Over the years, Microsoft has invested in Dynamics GP to improve various versions. Today, Microsoft Dynamics GP has been widely recognized as the leading ERP solution for mid-sized organizations. Next, let's discover the timeline of Microsoft Dynamics SL. It's a project-based ERP solution to serve professional service and government contractors. The original version was launched in 1993 by Solomon Software Company under the name Dynamics Solomon. In 2007, Microsoft acquired Solomon and rebranded it as Microsoft Dynamics SL. Then, they kept investing and releasing new versions with different features and capability. Now, Microsoft has developed Dynamics SL to become the leading ERP solution for project-based businesses. The last legacy version I want to talk about in this video is Microsoft Dynamics CRM. As the name suggests, it is a CRM solution to improve customer satisfaction, increase customer loyalty, engagement, and drive the sales growth. It was launched by Falconi System Company and then Microsoft acquired and integrated into the Microsoft Dynamics product suite. In 2003, Microsoft released the first version of Microsoft Dynamics CRM, which offers a solution to manage customer relationship and interaction. Over the year, Microsoft had continued to invest in and update various new versions to meet changing customer needs. In 2016, Microsoft migrated and separated Dynamics CRM into cloud-based Dynamics 365 Customer Service and Dynamics 365 Sales in the Dynamics 365 product line. Microsoft Corporation had the foresight and ability to capture the market, continuously acquiring different software for the future development. As a result, our Microsoft products has been the leading ERP and CRM system in various industries. That's the information about the Microsoft Dynamics in a timeline that I want to share with you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time. Goodbye.
Behixa. Connecting applications. Automating processes.